Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect an external domain to Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, once you're on your admin dashboard, as I am at the current moment, you're going to go ahead and go into settings in the bottom left. From here, you're going to go into the domains section right over here, and as you can see, you can buy a new domain or you can connect an existing one. So I'm just going to go click on connect existing one, and this is the page that you're going to get. Now you'll need to enter the domain you want to connect, or if your domain meets the requirements, you can transfer it to Shopify directly. But for example, I don't have any domains, so I'm just going to enter an example.com domain. And once you have your example domain set, you can click next. Once you click next, as you can see, this domain requires verification. If you own this domain, you can transfer it to the Shopify store by following these steps right over here. And as you can see, these things don't align. As you can see, the required value is this, and my current IP address is this. The CNAME is empty. However, the required value is this, and the TXT record is empty, and it requires this. Now, you can follow the step-by-step to verify the connection. Since I cannot, since that is not my domain, and I'm not even sure if that domain exists, I won't be able to do so. But once you enter your domain, you will be able to set up and click the option to connect the domain automatically. And that is pretty much all you need to do to connect everything as it should be. And yeah, so let me just reiterate this once more. I'll just go ahead and quit out, go into settings, go into domains, and then click connect an existing domain, connect a domain that you want, for example, example.com, click next. And if you enter a valid domain, you will have the option to enable automatic connection. And then once you do that, you'll verify the connection and everything should be good. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.